Hello, good day. Welcome back. Today is day 5 and we are learning embedded system on ARM Cortex M4. Today we're going to learn about real-time debugging in STM32F411RE. We'll see the steps that's involved in debugging. And these are all the sections we're going to learn today. How to create the project and debug the project in STM32F411, and how to configure the debug trace, how to set up the breakpoints and use the breakpoints, and how to set up watch points, how to use them, and how to keep them in your code. And also you're going to go through and learn about memory browser, and I'm going to show you what a call stack is. So these are all the things we're going to be covered today, and you'll be learning all of that hands-on. So before moving into today's session, I would like to tell a little bit about ourselves. I'm representing A2DG. It's a startup company started in the year 2023 by Anbukarasu brothers. That's my brother Alex and myself Arul. We both have 20 plus years of experience in the industry, and we would really like to share our knowledge and experience to you all so you can become a very good professional and have a better future. Our mission is to convey knowledge to at least 100,000 students and upcoming professionals out there through our online courses. And the good advantage is you can study at your own pace, at your own time, anywhere, wherever you are. And a little bit about me. I am Arul P. Anbukarasu, Arul Prakash Anbukarasu. You can call me as Arul or API, as popularly as I would like to be, but the time will tell, and I'm sure you will all make me popular. I have 20 plus years of experience in various industries working in Australia. I came here to do my master's degree. My master's degree background is VLSI and embedded systems. And since I completed my degree, I've been working here for the past 20 years. And my major industries that I work are in renewable energy sector, that's with solar and wind energy, power systems, that's lead acid batteries, network embedded systems, that's related with network systems, ATMs, TCRs, point of sales, banking automation systems, and smart parking operations. And my major area of expertise is in the second, third line, embedded systems, VLSI, and project management. I got to make a little announcement before I go into the session today. There is two different sections to it. All the videos that are available for you, I'll be uploading into my channel, so please tune into my YouTube A2DG channel. And if you continuously view 28 days of my course series, you are eligible to get a free e-certificate. But due to YouTube regulations, I can't keep the videos in there. I have to remove it after 2 or 3 days. So you get missed out. If you want to learn, you have to sign in and tune in every day to learn. But I sincerely plead you to join the internship program, where that's very much beneficial to you. It would lead you to acquire an internship certificate, and that's really a plus point when you hit the job for an interview, or also after you had that interview you will see the difference, because they take this 30 days course as a real hands-on experience count. So if you compare with the other engineers who's attending the interview or in the industry started with you, you will be sitting among the top of the list because you already gained this experience through this 30 days. So that's why I really encourage you to join the internship. Plus, you'll also get to use to access to all the course contents. You would be able to download all the PDF materials, the source codes, everything, and you can get access to it unlimited times. There is no set limit. And also you can access to all the course videos any number of times at your own pace. You can pause, you can start, you can watch as per your wish. And also, if you get stuck at any point of stage, our backend team will be there to support you. So You won't get missed out. I'm sure you won't miss anything and you won't lose anything. Instead, you'll gain a lot from this series. So please tune into getting your internship membership, please. These are all the materials required. From today onwards, it would be a very good idea to have everything on hand so you can start to practice because it's all hands-on from now. These are all the materials that I listed there, and if you contact Pantex Solutions, they would be able to help you to acquire all of that. And uh, as a general rule, reading and listening to videos, you only get so much out of it, say like 10 to 15%. But when you actually start to practice on the board itself, you will get at least like 75 to 80%, and that counts a lot. So please invest on getting your hardware so you can start to practice. Okay, shall we get started? If you're ready, then we shall go, and I will show you what's in there on day 5, and I'll show you everything from the start with all those sections that we're going to learn today, and I'll go on one after the other so you won't get anything missed out. So get yourselves ready, go and get a cup of coffee or grab yourself a drink and settle in yourself, and we're going to learn hands-on today with the STM32Cube IDE. So let's go. And we'll start from here, creating a project on target using STM32Cube IDE. So connect the target board with the USB cable to your computer. If you haven't already downloaded and if you don't have the hardware, please watch my previous video, and I went through the whole instructions about how to download the STM32Cube IDE. If you follow that on-screen messages instructions, you would be able to download it. But if you get stuck in any point, just please bring that to the Facebook group and I would be able to help you to install that. Okay, so let's get into the STM32Cube IDE, which I have to minimize this screen and I'll share my desktop screen. Just 1 second. So after, if you have downloaded, then you will end up into a desktop icon that shows something like this. It's a STM32Cube IDE. You need to double click that and ask it to open. So this is the IDE that we're going to use for this whole series. So it's opening. 1 sec, so I'll show it to you. It's happening on the background, which you can't really tell. Once it's open, then I'll let you know. Okay, there it is. So it has opened after you double click that, and you get this workspace. Select a directory as a workspace. Now before doing your directory creation, you need to create a folder so you can keep all the projects in one location. So to do that, create a folder in your desktop to make it much easier. So I'm going to File Explorer, going to go to the desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder called ESD Cortex M4 demo. ESD Cortex M4 demo. This is just a name convention. You can call it as anything as per your wish, but I thought to be more precise, so whenever I see that, I know what I'm teaching you on that time. So this will help me really well to my extent. So that's why I named that. So hit enter and open and create another folder here called target. This is where you're going to put all your project files into target. So create under folder named target and keep this aside. So now you're going to click on here, just left click on your mouse, Control C. You have to copy the link, or right click and copy. You can do it in two ways. You can do click there first with the left mouse, hit Control C to copy, or right click and click copy. Either way you can do it. So after you copied, you have to go back to the IDE. I'll minimize this. You need to create your workspace. So workspace is nothing but your project directory where you keep all your project files. So for that you need to tell the IDE where all your project files sit. So that's what workspace is. So you just come here and Control V or right click and paste, whichever it's easy for you. Control V, so I copy there, and you need to tick this box, use this as a default and do not ask again. So if you tick this, it won't ask again. And once you make sure you got the target ready, then hit launch, and this will start to open up the Cube IDE shortly. So it is loading on the background. Once it's ready, I'll show you. Because it has to initialize and it has to check a lot of files for the directory to link. So that's why it takes a bit of a time. But yeah, it is doing it, and you will see it in a second, which is now. Okay, so this is what the first point of view that you will see after you click the launch and you come here, and this is what you get: information center. In this information center you can start a new project, new STM32 project, or you can create a cube mx file, that's a .ioc file that's different for complex projects, or you can import a project from other IDEs if you're used to here, or you can use a STM32 cube example. So these are all the information center. So if you click on each and every one, it will tell you, like if you click on there, it will take you to a window that will show you all the information that you want to know about these particular tabs. But that will take a bit of a process because it takes a bit of a time to read through. It has got a lot to read. So we won't go there, and once it's ready, I will close the information center and I will start creating the first project in this STM32 cube IDE. But before that, if you'd like to have a bit of a 5-minute break, then please help yourself. Go out and do all the stretching exercises, and I'll see you back in 5 minutes, and then we'll get started. Okay, go and enjoy that break. I'll see you back in 5 minutes. See you then.